All right, what's poppin', everybody? It's your boy Squat, your size 15 sneaker enthusiast, and yo, got a package today, right? So I want to give a quick shout out to my boy Shoe Hefner. He hit me up and was like, yo, Squatch, I know I'm not part of the Bigfoot Platoon, but yo, I want to put you up on game about this sneaker. He seen me talking about it, so he know I've been on this particular sneaker tip for a minute. Oh, here we go. Just like that, huh? That's how you going out? You ain't gonna fix it, huh? He's just out here on people's tips. You ain't gonna clean it up. Okay. I want to give a shout out to Shoe Hefner for letting me know about this sneaker because he know I've been trying to build up my collection with them. All right, so without further ado, let's get into what this sneaker is to be. Before I say something else, hold everybody. I got stuff I gotta do. I got a wedding, but I gotta finish editing. So I just wanted to show you this guy, show you this right here. Cause my dog Shoe hadn't came through. Shoe, you already know, basic Nike box, nothing too spectacular. Hey Shoe boy, thank you for telling your boy it was on sale. Yes sir, you know your boy had to go and cop this, man. I had to cop this Vomero in this pink, black, and sail colorway. Yeah, man, this jump was like, I don't know, under 100, close to 100. It was cheaper than 170. That's what I do know. So here it is. Just want to show y'all these Vomero real quick. Vomero 5. Like I said, man, I have really been trying to build up my collection with these because these are, one, they're more obtainable, easy to just go out and cop, some of them, and they're mad comfortable. These are so comfortable. If you haven't had an opportunity to try on some Vomero 5s, I suggest you do so. The only thing, like I said, it's a toss-up between the Vomero 5s and the P6000 as far as comfort goes. And I'm going to throw the Pegasus Waves in there as well. All right? So anyway, that was it. Real quick video. It's your boy Squatch. All you got to do is follow me.